Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to have a crack at ceramic coating my new 15-inch wheels I've purchased for drag racing on my Ford FG Falcon. I will be using CarPro DLUX as the coating on the wheels today. First step is to clean the wheels using CarPro Eraser, which is an isopropyl alcohol solution. Spray on liberally and then wipe off with a clean microfiber towel. This will remove any oils, contaminants or greases left on the wheel surface, which is actually a powder coating finish on these wheels. Use a light to inspect the wheel surface for any remaining oil spots, grease or contaminants that may be left on the surface. I decided to remove the center cap for coating, as will make things a bit easier as we go. I'm going to ceramic coat the barrels of the wheels, so I also need to clean them with CarPro Eraser, which is the isopropyl alcohol, and then wipe with a clean microfiber towel, as you can see. The ceramic coating comes with a set of instructions, so make sure they are read and you understand what you're doing before you start the process. I am using a new suede cloth on the applicator, and you should never reuse one of these suede cloths when applying ceramic coating. Run a line of coating down the suede cloth. Apply coating to the wheel surface evenly and go over it a couple of times to make sure you've covered the whole lot, as there's a fair few nooks and crannies in wheels. I also applied CarPro DLUX to the inside barrels of the wheels. I think that makes it a lot easier to clean the brake dust off as well. So make sure you get into a little tight space as well, and the coating's covered everywhere. Allow 1 minute as per the instruction sheet, looking for a holographic effect as the coating starts to dry. Wipe off the ceramic coating with a new microfiber cloth. Then rub over again with the plush side of the cloth to remove any traces of coating that may be left behind. Checking with a light if need be. Use the light to your advantage to check everywhere on the wheel surface that there's no coating left. As per the instruction sheet, allow 24 hours drying time before the wheels actually get wet. Now they're ready for tyres. After washing my car, which I coated with CarPro CQuartz UK 3.0, then I topped it with CarPro SiC. You can see the difference between the CarPro DLUX coating on the wheels and the car paintwork. I think the SiC coating has better hydrophobic properties. So I decided to apply a layer of CK Quartz SiC on my new wheels and see how it goes. And one day I'll also coat the wheels on the car with Quartz SiC. As you can see, I've had the tyres fitted now, but unfortunately Willowbank Raceway in Queensland is still not open, so I haven't had a chance to use them yet. The wheels have been sitting around now for 3 or 4 weeks, so the coating is well and truly cured. Once again, we follow the same process. We use CarPro Eraser to clean the wheels, as there's a fair bit of dust on them from sitting around. Use a clean microfiber cloth to clean the surface. Now I'm going to apply a coat of CQuartz SiC, which is silica carbide fusion. Once again, use a new suede cloth on the applicator. Apply a line of coating to the applicator. Spread evenly all over the wheel. Go over it twice to ensure you've covered all areas of the wheel face and surface. Don't forget to apply the coating to the centre cap as well. As per the instruction sheets, buff off as soon as it flashes. This time it took almost 10 minutes for the coating to flash, and I did say earlier about looking for a holographic effect on the coating. I'm using that new microfiber cloth to remove the coating. I use the low pile of the cloth on the initial wipe off, and then I use the high pile, the plush looking side of the cloth, to do the second wipe off. The cloth side I'm using a 4 Seasons dual sided general purpose 400 GSM cloths, 400 by 400 millimeters. All the products in this video I purchased from Wax It Car Care Products. I will try and leave a link in the description for you. As I coat the barrel of the wheels, you can clearly see the product going on. It leaves a glass-like finish. I use the same process on the front of the wheel. I go over it twice to ensure a smooth, even coating with full coverage. This is the low pile side of the cloth, which I use initially to wipe off the coating when it has flashed. This is the high pile side of the cloth, which I use as a second wipe over to remove any traces of the coating. Now I apply a coating of CarPro Dark Side tire dressing, and I use a foam applicator. I find this coating to dry to a matte finish and seems to last a fair while. So get out there and have a crack at ceramic coating your wheels.